Hello! So today I'm going to try my hand at the Shellee Art Bloom again, but we're going to leave out one important step, and that's the house paint that goes on first. I've been having trouble with it, and I did come across another artist on YouTube that said if you have house paint that you want to get rid of, that this is one way we can do this. So I'm giving it a go. So I'm skipping the house paint as the pillow that goes on first, and I'm using my color as the pillow. So I'm mixing my pouring medium like you would for Shellee art, and I'm going to list that in the description box below. So I'm using my color as the pillow, which won't flow as the house paint. So you have to make sure that you have plenty of it to cover your canvas. Now you can use the house paint as your flow extender. Okay. So there's my first color. I'm going to use 2 cell activators. Now this is Amsterdam. It has to be Amsterdam with 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam paint, and you've got to mix it up really good. Now I put it down for a while, but when you pick it back up, you've got to mix it again. So because I put yellow first, I'm going to put blue, cell activator, and now I'm going to use my yellow. Okay, I'm just going to pick up my whole turntable. What a lame blow that was. I have a cat hair in there. Of course I do. There we go. For some reason, I just have no blow power. There we go. Not getting very many. That's why it's probably because of my blow power. See some nice lacing over here, but not too much in the middle. Darn it. Alright, I'm getting the blow dryer out, so here we go. Well, I just did not get any lacing on that one. That's disappointing. let's try it again. Let's put another pillow down. Okay. I don't want to do a white lacing. Maybe black. Let me make a black one. That's purple. Here's black. Get a fresh dish. I'm just going to stick it right there so you can see what I'm doing. Just rinse this real quick. Okay. Oh, I already took the cap off. So I'm going to go 1 part Amsterdam paint. Okay. This is American Floetrol. It's different than Australian Floetrol. I guess it costs like 50 bucks to have it sent to the United States. That's just shipping. Whoop. All right, I guess that's 3 parts. Might be a little bit more, but that's okay. And you're just going to whip it up really nice. It's going to be really nice and frothy, kind of. Real fluffy. Now, because it's American Floetrol, I keep Minwax Wood Conditioner in here. And we add 1 to 2 drops. There we go. Perfect. So let's use this. We're just going to pour that right in the center there. I'm going to use the hair dryer again. I will mute it for you, so you don't have to. Look at all that. That's pretty. Why didn't you come to the party before? Okay, here we go. I guess that was the ticket. Look at that. That's pretty. Grab some of this and put it right here. Cover my corners. Look at all that paint. Well, we are practicing. I'm practicing for a larger canvas, a gallery wrapped canvas. So, okay, it's settled. Look, my hands are just covered. I'm glad I wore gloves today. Now I'm going to blow right in here. I'm just trying to get some more of these cells up. See, when you blow, it just kind of spreads out the cell activator and makes more holes or lacing. Just trying to give it more room. Look at all that. That is so much. Okay. Wow. That is so pretty. All right, let's keep going. I have to watch myself though. I can't overspin. I tend to overspin. If you watch any of my flower videos, I overspin. Let's see how the center opened up as I'm spinning. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, it just keeps getting better the more I spin. I love the pattern here. You know, if this dries as good as it looks, I might actually have to buy resin. So pretty. Do I keep going? I love it. I think that's all I'm going to get out of it. I think it's done. And that's fine. I am thrilled. I am so happy with this result. And I am so happy that you were here to watch it with me. Oh, I'm so happy. Yay me. Oh, I can't get my gloves off to turn the camera off. Whoa. Okay. Well, thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon.